Hello friends, we have come to the last sum of exercise 8.3 of chapter 8 Trigonometry. The question is, prove that 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A. Let us consider LHS first, which is equal to 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. We can write tan as sin by cos and cot as cos by sin. 1 plus sin square A divided by cos square A whole divided by 1 plus cos square A by sin square A. Taking common denominator, cos square A plus sin square A whole divided by cos square A, the whole divided by, taking sin square A as common denominator, sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin square A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is 1 by cos square A, the whole divided by 1 by sin square A. This is equal to sin square A divided by cos square A, which is equal to tan square A, which is our RHS. Similarly, let us take the second term, which is given as 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square. We have to prove it. We can write tan as sin by cos and cot as cos by sin. 1 minus sin by cos divided by 1 minus cos by sin the whole square. Cos A minus sin A divided by cos A, the whole divided by sin A minus cos A divided by sin A the whole square. By seeing the numerator of both the terms, only a minus is common. We can write this as minus of sin A minus cos A divided by cos A, the whole divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A, the whole square. So we can cancel the numerators. We get minus sin A by cos A the whole square, which is equal to minus tan A the whole square, which we receive it as tan square A, which is our RHS. Hence proved. Thank you so much for your cooperation in trigonometry. Let us see with another new chapter from our next video. Thank you. Happy learning.